In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in with an investor password on MetaTrader 5. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide is here to help you out. Logging in with an investor password allows you to view trading activities without making any changes, which is incredibly useful for tracking performance or following along with a mentor or advisor. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to have MetaTrader 5 open on your computer. Once you have the platform up, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of the screen. From there, click on File. This will open a drop-down menu, and what you want to do next is select Log into Trade Account. This will open a new window where you can enter your account details. Now comes the important part. You need to enter the correct information to ensure that you log in successfully. In the field labeled Login, you'll need to type in your trading account number. This is the unique number assigned to your account by your broker, so make sure you have it handy and double check for any typos. Next, focus on the password field. Here, you'll enter your investor password. This is a read-only password, which means it grants access to view, but not to execute trades or make changes. It's the perfect option for when you need someone to oversee your trading activities without interfering with them. Again, accuracy is key, so verify that you've entered the correct password. After entering your login and password, you'll need to select the appropriate server. This is a critical step because selecting the wrong server might result in connection issues or failure to log in. Your broker should have provided you with the server information when you set up your account. If you're unsure, it's a good idea to check any correspondence or documentation they sent you. Once you've identified the correct server from the list, select it to ensure a proper connection to your account. With all these fields accurately filled out, it's time to go ahead and click OK. This action will prompt MetaTrader 5 to connect using the details you've entered. If everything is in order, you should be logged into your account promptly and be able to see all the trading activities associated with it. To confirm that you're logged in, check the status bar at the bottom of the MetaTrader 5 window. It should display messages confirming a successful connection. If something doesn't look right, it's a good idea to check the information you entered for any mistakes that might have occurred. And that's it, you've successfully logged in with an investor password on MetaTrader 5. This capability is particularly beneficial for monitoring your strategies or gaining insights from others trading without the risk of altering any positions.